If you want to be a better speaker, then you don't need a course. You don't need to join Toastmasters. You don't even need a camera. You just need to start talking to yourself. Seriously. This is the habit that quietly changed everything for me, and no one talks about it. When you speak out loud, even just to yourself, you're doing more than making noise. You're training your brain to connect thoughts into words in real time. That's one of the hardest parts of speaking, translating the mess in your head into something clear. But when you do it every single day, your thoughts get sharper. Your voice gets steadier. You notice your natural tone, rhythm, pace, and how to adjust it. Here's how I started. Every morning when I go up, get some water, go outside and get some sunlight, I'd narrate something. Not for a video, not for anyone else, just me. Okay, I didn't sleep great. Maybe I'll make some tea. I got a lot on my mind, but I think I'll be fine. It sounds dumb, but it works. You're building speaking reps without any of the pressure. And the best part is, you don't have to perform. You just speak. After a week or two, you'll start noticing things. Your thoughts come out smoother. You don't get stuck as often. You feel more natural on camera or in a conversation because you've already practiced expressing yourself. It's like going to the gym for your mouth and brain, quietly, every single day. So here's your challenge. For the next 5 days, talk to yourself out loud for at least once a day. Narrate your day, vent, reflect. Practice a story. It doesn't matter what. No pressure, no camera, no audience, just you. You'll be shocked how much it actually helps. We think communication is about words, but really, it's about practice. And most people never get their reps in. This is your way in. Stick around if you want more tips like this. I'm making this whole series as I go because I'm still learning too. And the best way to get better is to keep showing up. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.